Hey y'all, here's a video on intermittent fasting. I've done my research, read my books, watched my videos, and then I also personally practiced intermittent fasting so I could tell y'all the benefits that I had. I did 16-8 fast, which means I fasted for 16 hours and I ate for 8 hours. I moved what I would normally eat at breakfast to my lunch period, so I was still getting all the calories that I personally needed. Benefits that I personally found. I felt more in control. It didn't feel like food was controlling me. Like I was able to live my life and food not be the main focus. I had better bowel movements, so I was able to go more frequently. I had less hunger. So I snacked less because my meals were bigger. Usually I do small meals throughout the day, but during intermittent fasting, I eat bigger meals at one time. Even my breath was a little bit better, like the morning breath I didn't have as much. And I don't know if it's just my body had more time to digest, so my system got cleaned out better, but that was an improvement that I saw. I did find better results when my last meal was full of protein and fats. If my last meal was lots of carbs, I really struggled to reach the 16-hour fasting mark. Now I did gradually increase to 24 hours. I was able to do a couple of 24-hour fasts and felt fantastic, whereas prior to this I would have struggled. Benefits of intermittent fasting is that it helps your body go into a fat burning mode instead of storing mode. If your insulin levels are always high because you're always eating, then your body is going to go into fat storing mode. But if you can let your body rest and digest, it will go into insulin burning mode and will quit storing all of the energy in the fat. Another benefit of fasting is what's called autophagy. This is the cell cleanup of old or damaged cell parts. So when we're eating all the time, our body doesn't have time to clear out damaged cells and to heal because it's just focusing on distributing all the nutrients. So I really encourage you to try intermittent fasting. I saw really great benefits and I still am trying to stick to some of the intermittent fasting. You can first start by cutting snacks. So if you can just have a break in between your meals and not be eating all day, something that can be very beneficial as well. Be sure when you're fasting to stay hydrated. So get some add some salt to your water or some lemon or electrolytes or something so that you stay hydrated. Also during intermittent fasting, don't feel like you need to just stop and do nothing. Movement can actually increase the benefits of intermittent fasting. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions. If you think, if you've tried intermittent fasting, like, subscribe, follow my channel, and I will see you in the next video.